At Rosen College, we incorporate real-world event planning into our classes. So the types of classes that you will be taking upon entering Rosen College will include the event industry class, which is our intro class. And it's going to teach you all the basic concepts about this fabulous event industry that you're going to be pursuing. From there, you're going to take a number of other courses, including event services, event promotion, event management, as well as event technology and learning the latest and greatest in technology, including AI and virtual reality and so forth. Students are able to create a themed event for the Rosen College Career Fair, both in the fall and the spring semesters. So it's a fantastic real-world opportunity for these students to create a themed event within a class. And as far as I know, Rosen College is the only college that actually does this throughout the country. In addition to this, you'll have 3 internships that will be required, which is nice because they're all paid and you get a lot of experience with each and every internship. 97% of our graduates have a job before they actually graduate from Rosen College. I myself was in the industry for 25 years and am able to share those experiences with the students. And the students really benefit because they can take away these experiences with them once they get into the real world. Coming to Rosen is definitely the right choice.